Model, 2020 Mercedes Citan 109CDI Pure L2 CATS rear damage. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 82,456. Engine, 1,461 CCOM 608.94 bhp 70 kilowatts. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. This will need the rear axle replacing as the passenger side rear wheel is bent in slightly. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is very clean. Well looked after van. First to see will definitely buy. Features: 0 former keepers, parking sensors, electric windows, air con. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, CAT S rear damage. Cap retail, £9,550. Click the link in the description for